Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on EVS, lesson 2 uses of plants. In the previous class we have studied how plants are useful to us. What are the things plants gives us? Plants gives us cereals. Cereals are nothing but food grains like rice, wheat, jawar, bajra. They gives us pulses. What are pulses? The different kinds of dals, chana dal, urad dal, these are the pulses. Beside that, plants gives us vegetables. Plant gives us fruits. And we have also studied plant gives us nuts. Almond, cashew, walnut, these are the nuts which plants give us. And also we have studied oil we get from plants. Sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil. And also we have studied that plant gives spices which we are using to add taste to our food. Spices like cardamom, pepper, cloves. These are the spices which we are using. Beside this, still we are having few food items which we get from plants. Coming to tea. So most of them will drink tea or coffee. This tea or coffee from where we are getting? We are getting tea from the tea leaves. And coffee we are getting from the coffee beans. From that, these two are we get from the plants. And beside that, sugar. From where do you get sugar? Sugar which we use to prepare sweet and many items which we add it in tea and coffee. Sugar. Sugar and jaggery. You know what is jaggery? What you will say for jaggery in our language? Good. So these sugar and jaggery we get from sugar cane. You might have drink that sugar cane juice. Have you seen sugar cane? Yeah. So from this sugar cane, sugar is made and also jaggery is made which we use it in our as our food. So these are the different food items which we get from plants. So beside the food items which we get from plants, apart from the food we eat, plants give us many other useful things. What are those other useful things apart from our food? We are going to study. Now, I told you what is a tree. A tree, big, strong plant with a woody stem. So, this woody stem is called as a trunk. Okay. So, this part of the tree is used as a wood. This part of the tree is used as a wood. And this wood is used to make furniture, wooden. So with this wood, we make wooden furniture. Wood of some plants, some trees are taken, that is the trunk part of a tree, is taken as a wood to make wooden furniture. So in this way, other than food items, we are getting useful things from plants. Now, these are the wooden things, wood we get. Now, beside that, fiber. What is a fiber? Fiber is nothing like a thin thread-like material. Fiber is a thin thread-like material from which we make our clothes. Now, under fiber comes cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. Cotton from cotton plant, and with this cotton what we are doing? We are making clothes. We get cotton, we are getting cotton from cotton plant, and this cotton is used to make clothes. So wood we can make from the plants. We are using wood to make furniture. We are making clothes, that is cotton clothes from the plant. And beside that, jute plant is also a kind of plant which gives us fiber. So with this jute plant, we make, the jute plant gives us the jute of this plant is used to make bags. What you say, gunny bags or jute bags. You can say jute bags or gunny bag. And also we can make ropes. With this jute plant, we can make gunny bags, ropes. With the cotton plant, we can make cotton clothes. So in this way, plants are used to make furniture like table, chair, bed, wooden sofa, wooden bed, wooden chair. Now they are also used as fiber, as clothes or bags. Then coming to now we are reading, we are writing in the books, and books are having papers. From where these papers are made? Papers are made from the bamboo tree and pine. Bamboo and pine. From these two, we get paper. From where do we get paper? This bamboo tree and pine tree is giving us paper. So in this way, we are getting wood, fiber, paper. And beside that, gum, which we are using to stick many things. So this gum is also we are getting from the tree called acacia. The tree acacia gives us a sticky substance from which gum is made. So from plants we are getting wood, which is used to make furniture, fiber, which is used to make clothes and jute bags, ropes, paper, bamboo and pine is used to make paper. Plants is also giving us gum, and plants are also giving us rubber. Now, have you seen the tires of your vehicles? Either it is your bike or a four-wheeler car or a bus. Have you seen it? So, plants are made from the rubber. We get rubber from the rubber tree. Rubber we get from the rubber tree. With this rubber, the rubber which you are using, which we call eraser to erase in your books. We use eraser if we have make any mistake. What we use, we take an eraser and erase. So this eraser is made up of this rubber tree. And you will be seeing the doctors when they are in the operation theater, they will be using gloves. So these gloves are also made up of rubber. And the tires of the buses or cars, whatever it is, they are made up of the tire. Gloves, your eraser. These are the things which we get from rubber, and this rubber we get from the rubber plant. And beside these are the things which we are using in our life. Beside that, with plants we get medicines too. Plants are also used to like medicines. Tulsi plant, neem plant, mint, aloe vera. These are the different plants from which we make medicine. So you can write mint, tulsi, garlic, aloe vera. These are the things which we are using to make our medicines. These things we get from plants. So plants gives us medicine, plants gives us food. Beside that, the other items which are useful in our daily life. Beside that, we use different kinds of face washes, soaps. These soaps, perfumes, from where we are getting? These we are getting from the flowers. Flowers, from where do we get flowers? From plants. So in other sense, you can say the perfumes, the soaps which we are using, they also we get from plants. Some flowers such as jasmine and rose, they are used to make soaps and perfumes. So in this way, these are the uses of plants. So hope children you have understood the lesson. So in this lesson, what we have understood? How important plants are. Plants are important because they are giving us food items. They are giving us medicine. They are giving us soaps, perfumes. And beside that, they are giving up clothes, paper, gum, and many other things. So in this way, plants are very, very important for us. So try to grow more plants. Try to keep our plants safe. Thank you.